Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Maltego latest version on Kali Linux 2025.2. But the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. The latest version at the time of making this video is 4.10. Okay, first open any web browser. Also go to applications, search here. See here we have the Maltego installer. But this is not the latest version. Okay, so go to Maltego official website, that is maltego.com. Then click on resources. Then for customers, see here we have the download Maltego, but before downloading click on create an account. Later, because after installation we need Maltego ID, so click on create an account, then use for free with Maltego ID. Then we have to provide email, first name, last name. Okay, then we will get the activation email. I have already created, so create Maltego ID, then click on resources, then for customers, then click on download Maltego. See here, select the Linux operating system as, then for Kali Linux select .debian package, then click on download Maltego graph. Also see here the latest version is 4.10.1. click on download Maltego graph. See download started. See here its size is 202 megabytes. Wait until download completes, and it is .debian package. Once download completes, then we will install Maltego 4.10. I am pausing this video until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. See here we have the Maltego 4.10 Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then malt. Press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, search for Maltego. Then see here we have the Maltego. Click on it to open. See here activation options. We have license key and Maltego ID option. I have already created Maltego ID, so select Maltego ID and click on next. Online activation or offline activation. Select online activation and click on next. Select the license agreement and by clicking on this checkbox and click on next. Now login with Maltego ID. So click on browser login. It will open in the browser. Now provide the username or email that you have created. See, authentication complete. You can close the browser and return to application. See, browser login was successful. Then click on next. See, activation successful. Click on next. Now install transforms from utilities on Maltego local transform server. I don't have, so select utilities and click on next. See, complete following items for downloaded. Click on next. Select the checkbox and click on next. See, it is installing data sources. It is completed. Click on next. Automatically send error reports. I don't want. If you want, you can select the checkbox, then click on next. Select the default browser. See here we have these options. I am going with system default browser. Then click on next. Privacy mode. See here we have the normal and stealth. See here the definitions. I am going with the normal. Then click on next. All done. See here we have the open a blank graph and let me play around, or open example graph. Then click on finish. It will open the example graph. If you want to new, click on this new button. See here the version 4.10. See here in the left side we have entity palettes. See here we have a number of entity palettes, and see this is for domain. If you click on here, close this one, close this one, close. See here it has selected domain palette. If you click on here, see domain name is maltego.com. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Maltego latest version, that is 4.10 on Kali Linux 2025.2. As I told you, process is same on Kali Linux versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.